Hris an Gaillimh cléthe cenis na héir na fé cethir, agus gheir leis an bhí hrisint an orig. Cúca fear na chuireach tús láidir le na bhachtas Craobh Mbliana. Cárach Bombernach a Haman Trátrachta.
If she Leroy Fote a Gornish. Can't bulse. Ní bheith sí fádach be sí contarteach. Agus plapa sí sin agus Haran Strasta fiad. Craobh yep, score double to ton. Chun Gaillimh very tall, Fote Asha chun mí bí check mar cool and check Castle. Sova waited to Tita Shimach. Will cool fiad tá cool a chun mí Gorla Finnegan. Agus Orla Finnegan rochiatnú hiscin Jona. Leo Heller and Sova after Burton shooting Anzi Glass. The Meath Fote a Castle. Rachel Turfree. Which she shinnig Rachel Cassidy to my capital shin fada agus tá sí sin all on score fod. Fantla Kuna, Fantla Cone, Fote Leanne Cone, Shanter Hulan Chug Cone, Aaron Sasson, agus V Shanter Chinnig Leanne Cone. Couple of Hunter Hula guys again in Hogshead Ward, Fote Kate Slevin, tá Shanter Hula Slevin, agus Sova lead to Robert Murray. Fote Kate. Leanne Cone, Agus, even Unishin Fotig Noon, Agus Takul Fotig Noon. Oh, kick pass, Agus a chin, Kirchny, Egg Noon, Hannah Noon Ochen Keen, Hannah Lear Dawn Sherrock, Inter Stassis Boss, Fotig Roshi Leonard, Cossagy, Agus and Dawn the Cool Sadarlia, Fotig Roshi Leonard, Glutzer Fods. Agus Gadasray, he did a shot in a Creve Shincher. Helnaman, agus in Kionch na Tashtul, agus Ishka, Murray and Kionch Harrison Sasson, agus score double set. Lindsay, agus Cornish, she shin work on glow to Leanne Corner will she get you don't go to to Sharon Sasson. Agus Shin, Bua, comfort to come out in the court to Gaillimh for you.
Yeah, delighted now with the performance there. I think the forwards were pinging them over there in the second half and they just worked really well together. Yeah, we did a lot of homework on Meath. I suppose championship football, you have to be prepared for all games, but it'll be a quick turnaround now for our next game.